स्वागत है आपका रिक्वेस्ट वाले शो में, जहां पे आज का एपिसोड होने वाला है बहुत ही खास, क्योंकि मेरे साथ है वो जिनको देख के दिल किसी का नहीं चूकता। इट इज ईशा गुप्ता। और मेरे साथ हैं वो जिनके गाने हैं लिजिट बवाल। प्लीज गिव इट अप फॉर जुबिन नौटियाल। Guys, welcome to Request Wala Show.
Great introduction.
Thank you so much. Welcome to Request Wala Show. Right off the bat, I want to talk to you about the new song, the new EP that you have released. The song looks amazing. Tell us about it.
Ooh, okay, listen, I mean, more than me, I think Zubin should, because all I can say is that Bhushan ji and T-Series were really nice to my request. Because जैसे आपका request वाला show है, तो मेरी भी एक request थी. I told them, I had only given them one option, that I want Zubin's song. You know, and Zubin and I, he did one of my song of T-Series, कह दूँ तुम्हें, for our film Badshah. And after that I didn't. And इनके मैं बहुत गाने सुनती हूँ, खासकर all his, you know, devotional songs.
अरे we did Rustam also.
रुस्तम में तुमने मेरा नहीं था वो गाना, मुझ पे नहीं पिक्चराइज था ना,
same project.
See, no? And then, you know, like, see the chemistry, you know.
I love it.
And it's
I love it.
I think it's always good to work with great people. Yes. And to me, Zubin's voice, जो उसपे ठहराव है, you know, the calmness in his voice. After we did the song, I realized that's how he is. So I'm really happy that I got to do the song, which I wanted, and it's a beautiful, romantic friendship song.
Yes.
And that's how the song happened. Rest he'll tell you, but shoot and all will tell you. But that's how I made the song happen.
I love it. First of all, Isha, great start to the show. Secondly, जुबिन के गाने सिर्फ आप नहीं सुनती, हम सब सुनते हैं और repeat पे सुनते हैं. जुबिन, tell us, how did this song happen?
I was not doing too many music videos. बट मुझे बताया कि मैडम मान गई म्यूजिक वीडियो करने के लिए. I was like, let's do it यार. मतलब I really wanted to work with her. हम 2 प्रोजेक्ट्स कर चुके हैं साथ में. बादशाहों में तो खैर एक बहुत ही हिट गाना हमने करा था, कह दूँ तुम्हें, और अगेन टी सीरीज. And I've always been a fan of her work, the energy she brings on screen. There's so much presence, and it's an amazing artist to work with. Beautiful. So yeah, इश्क मेरा हो गया फिर उसके बाद.
I am loving the chemistry here. मुझे बताइए शूट का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था, because we've seen the song. It is beautifully shot. पहाड़ी तो मतलब पहाड़ दिख रहे हैं. Both of you are looking amazing. Tell us about the shooting experience.
Listen, the only drawback for me, I think, was the cold, and also because मैंने expect नहीं किया था इतना ठंड होगा उस टाइम पे. पता नहीं क्यों. I think I should have asked the पहाड़ी. मैं वैसे दिल्ली से, but मैं कतर, I don't know, somewhere very hot I reached. और मुझे था इतनी कहाँ ठंड होगी, तो I overestimated, rather underestimated. But apart from that, I think we had a fabulous time.
Shoot, yeah.
I mean, first of all, I have to compliment Arif, जो हमारे director है, Arif Khan. बहुत ज़्यादा बेहतरीन उनकी story line भी, you know, because he made it a beautiful friendship turn into love, which I love that.
Yeah, I love that.
Very sorted.
Because that's how it is, no?
Sorted,
You know,
yeah.
by the end, when you reach a certain age, which is my age at least, and maybe a little more before you realize, it's not lovey-dovey love. It's the friendship first you form, and then it's love. Because love eventually, you love a person today, maybe not कल. हरकतें ऐसी होती है ना, अपने माँ बाप भी हमें रोज उतना प्यार नहीं करते.
मेरे तो कम ही कर रहे हैं रोज.
Okay, where's that coming from?
They're like, तुम ये गलत कर रहे हो, ये गलत कर रहे हो, ये गलत कर रहे हो, आज कम वही हो रहा है.
But you know, anyway, so I think that's what एक तो storyline उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी बनाई. Then we have to, you know, our DOP, I have to mention him. The song was always amazing, and like I said, उस चीज़ का क्रेडिट मैं पहले दे चुकी टू टी सीरीज एंड भूषण जी, क्योंकि मैंने उन्हें एक ही नाम बोला था, एंड आई सेड नेक्स्ट सॉन्ग मैंने फरमाइश रखी थी. आई सेड मुझे नेक्स्ट, उन्होंने पूछा नहीं था, मैंने खुद से बोला था.
क्या बात है.
मैं खुद से बोल देती हूँ, बिकॉज काम मांगने में मुझे बिल्कुल शर्म नहीं है. सो आई वाज लाइक, मुझे नेक्स्ट सॉन्ग करना है जुबिन के साथ. तो आई सेड आई लव हिज वॉइस, एंड आई लव इन जनरल, यू नो, ऑल द काइंड ऑफ म्यूजिक, बिकॉज दैट्स द म्यूजिक आई लिसन टू. And song happened, so I'm glad that it was his song, beautifully shot. Our whole cast and crew actually put in a lot of work, because सबकी ठंड में वैसी हालत खराब थी.
Nobody expected कि इतना ठंडा होगा.
But आप तो मतलब I've seen his shots wherein he's just alone valley में पानी के सामने.
जिनको ठंड नहीं लगती थी, बस वो ये थे.
इसका acclimatization.
He was like, आओ कितनी ठंड फेंक सकते हो मेरे मुंह पे, just do it.
He was the hero in the song. Yeah, he was. But it was like we said, rest.
No, but it was cold. It was cold. For me also it was cold. मतलब हम लोग summer time.
Yeah.
सर्दी में भी ऐसा होता है कि आपको थोड़ा टाइम लगता है to get used to it. And she is a mountain girl herself. So I think she is fine with cold. But suddenly we found ourselves in a situation अभी गर्मी से आए हैं, इतनी ठंड बर्फ पड़ गई है सामने.
हाँ, right. I think
But
The
एक
video
जगह
that you
पे you're
posted
wearing a
yesterday,
leather
yeah.
jacket. I saw that.
Yeah, but that also, na, I mean, I think that
Wasn't
then we should
sufficient.
give credit even to the stylist. And also what had happened, na, you have to hear this when we were doing the fittings. And they're giving us clothes and they're just keeping jacket वगैरह सब stand
Side
पे
में,
था क्योंकि वो look नहीं था तो वो जो आप बोल रहे हो jacket वाला scene, the skirt and jacket, it was a mix and match. जो stylist थी उसके shoes पहने हमने because उन्होंने मुझे वरना flats दिए थे open and I said नहीं guys मर जाऊंगी and उसी की या I think my manager या someone's jacket. But that's how shoots are, no?
It is,
The
yeah,
eventually what matters is what looks good on screen and screen पे बहुत बेहतरीन लग रहा है
बहुत
कहीं से
खूबसूरत।
भी you don't get to know कि क्या क्या I'm sure all भी हम सबके साथ issues हुए
Right.
जो होते हैं हमेशा होता है but that's life ना it's like social media हम कभी भी नहीं दिखाते कि मैं supposedly I cried my eyes out yesterday but किसी को क्या पता today we hug and I think that's what matters the end result नहीं रोई मैं इससे पहले सोच नहीं रही
But मुझे एक बात बताइए, this is like a funny question, but both of you are like super tall. Were people looking at you like this and
Worked out for
during
us,
the
yeah. It
shoot?
really worked out for us.
I mean, आप लोग अंदर हैं, I was
People
like,
don't hate
मैं
me
क्या
anyone
करूं?
for saying it on the camera I'm saying but I swear except then Ajay, Akshay and few actors I was
Yeah.
always like I'm not against but I think in general हिंदुस्तान में हाइट उतनी होती नहीं है
Correct.
because it's the
Yeah.
average right
Yeah.
तो हमें भी हुआ था I think ये पहले वो है जब हमने फर्स्ट शॉट देखा था सॉन्ग का इट वाज द लास्ट शॉट आई थिंक जो हमने किया था
Yeah.
मैं कैमरा पे देखी वैसे लो एंगल लिया था अनुराग ने अनुभव ने एंड आरिफ ने एंड आई सॉ एंड ये और लंबे लग रहे हैं और मैं और छोटी लग रही
She's like,
I was like, थोड़ा एंगल चेंज कर दो then I was like, guys, ये पहली बार हुआ है आई थिंक मैंने पूरे शूट में कम से कम 20 बार गाने से ज़्यादा तारीफ इनकी इस बारे में की थी आई नो इट हैज़ नथिंग height is God's given but his voice he's worked
but
hard
it
and
was
it's
it
also
was
God's
working.
given,
Chemistry was working
Yeah,
very well on
it-
screen.
it
was
worked well.
हाँ मतलब
and
बढ़िया
she
was-
could wear all the big boots and big things that she
Yeah,
wanted to
yeah.
wear, right?
but exactly
But
without
does that
thinking.
happen to you a lot कि मतलब in the shoot you're like अरे heel उतार के flat
Yeah.
पहनो and now you were like अब मैं heel पहनूंगी
Yeah, and I
सारी
don't
की
think I'm
सारी।
that tall for in general, but
You're very tall.
हाँ मतलब maybe यहाँ के हिसाब से नहीं listen then हमने गाना किया and I felt really good. I like thank God because it looks good.
It looks amazing. Well, the song looks amazing. It
Thank
sounds
you.
amazing. Both of you look great.
What is the cutest jodi you think in Bollywood?
I think now for me it would be Jubin and Isha. At
Oh,
this point in
oh, oh.
Time पे वैसे पहुँच गए.
पहुंच गए।
Advanced stage of thank you.
time. Thank you guys. Thank you. I want to talk to you about your humble beginnings and to where you are in your life at this point in time. So हमें ये पता है कि आप पहाड़ों से आते हैं. Then you moved to Mumbai. उसके बाद आपने reality show किया. You also did some song and then right bang on and Jubin Nautiyal is everywhere. Tell us about how it started for you. 4 साल की उम्र से I hear कि आपने गाना गाना शुरू कर दिया था.
Yes, I think I started doing music early, and I figured out that I want to do music. मतलब I somehow figured out like अभी recently तक अगर आप मुझसे पूछते कि म्यूजिक के अलावा क्या करते तो शायद मेरे कभी लिस्ट में कुछ था ही नहीं करने के लिए. अभी recently I figured out कि मैं फौजी भी बन सकता था वैसे.
मैं तो बात बहुत कुछ सोच सकता हूँ like
Yeah.
So parents were supported. I didn't come from a background where I was struggling with music. I never struggled with it, honestly. And in fact, I was kind of fixed that I should not be struggling. I should just have fun with it.
Right.
And till the time I was having fun, it was just working out. It was all working out for me. I sang playback songs. It worked out. I did non-film. It worked out. But because I was having fun.
right.
So that kind of worked for me. So moral of the story, have fun.
लव इट. बट मुझे ये बताइए जुबिन, आप कितने इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स बजा सकते हैं? क्योंकि मैं आपके बारे में जब पढ़ रहा था तो मुझे पता चला कि आप बहुत कुछ बजा सकते हैं. टेल मी द नंबर ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स दैट यू कैन प्ले.
वी आर देखो यार, इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजाना और मास्टरी के साथ बजाना एक अलग चीज़ है. बट या आई कैन प्ले 7-8 instruments to save my life.
7-8 instruments to save your life.
Ask me how many I can play to save my life. None. I'll tell him to save my life because I can't.
Yeah, मैंने
I've
बचपन
learned from my friends also.
मैंने बचपन में स्कूल में कॉन्गो बजाना सीखा था and that also one tune I can play. That's it.
Oh yeah.
बस एक ही चीज़ आती है मुझे, but
I
that's
know
not
Happy
enough
Birthday
to
on like the Casio if it.
the piano.
But isn't it the most beautiful feeling to just sit and play an
Yeah.
instrument, guys? I was kind of telling her
Music
that she
in
should
general
pick
is,
up
yeah,
like
I
a.
should.
It's very therapeutic for
That's
sure.
what I was gonna say. It's because it's therapeutic. I think we should all should.
We all should. We should learn something and then
Something.
have fun with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fun
Is
is
what-
very important.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fun is very important.
But तो school में you started learning music in school or did you take any
I had
professional?
music as a subject in school. मैंने बोर्ड एग्जाम्स दिए 9, 10th, 11th, 12th.
With music?
कॉलेज में, हाँ, विद म्यूजिक, हिंदुस्तानी
wow.
शास्त्रीय संगीत के साथ.
Wow.
तो उससे पहले भी मैं सीख ही रहा था. सो but it was part of my life. It was like not something that I discovered. It was with me throughout.
With you.
Every time.
And tell me how
हाथ था
was
तुम पे।
and tell me how was like the environment at your house. मतलब मुझे ये जानना है कि यहाँ पे जब बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं and especially singers, what they tell us is कि बचपन से ही वो मतलब उनके घर में अलग अलग रफ़ी और ये सब बज रहे होते हैं
जी जी
and that's how they
मेरे घर में संगीतकार कोई नहीं है
हाँ।
पर मेरे घर में माहौल संगीतकारों वाला है
संगीतकारों
बिल्कुल।
वाला है।
मतलब मेरे फादर रफ़ी साहब और लता ताई और किशोर दा के गाने लिखते थे लिरिक्स और प्रोटेक्ट करते थे मतलब यू नो एक टाइम था जब म्यूजिक लोग लिखते थे इस
लिखते
तरह
थे टू
लिखते थे।
लिरिक्स
बैक इन द डेज सो आई हैव दोस बुक्स एंड
This is the first time I'm hearing this by the way.
हाँ,
मैंने
yes.
कभी नहीं सुना कि लोग गाने लिख कर याद करते थे like never.
हाँ मतलब एक जनरेशन की बात कर रहा हूँ आप अभी बहुत यंग हो शायद है ना हाउ ओल्ड आर यू बाय द वे
I am
it does not
I am old. I won't.
you don't look but you
I
don't
am-
look
I'm
at all
very
you look like 25 or
पहले लोग
something
गाने लिख के भी भेजते थे एज लाइक लव
वो
लेटर
तो मैंने भी किया है।
चिट्ठी यही
वो
होती
मैंने भी
थी।
किया
ठीक
है
है,
मतलब
times.
मैंने भी गाने लिखे हैं लोगों को इम्प्रेस करने के लिए बट नेवर रियली वर्कड फॉर मी प्रॉब्ली आई एम नॉट अ गुड राइटर
मैंने भी लिखी
नहीं गाने लिखना मतलब ऐसा नहीं आई एम सेइंग गाने की
Lyrics लिखना।
लिरिक्स लिख के
नहीं,
और सॉन्ग बुक बनाना
दैट्स व्हाट
दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज मीनिंग टू
Yeah.
से
मैं कैसेट वाले ज़माने से हूँ मतलब हम कैसेट्स रोल करते थे
हम
और
भी
फिर
उसी
वो
ज़माने
share-
से
हम
भाई।
भी उसी ज़माने से हैं।
That's so
मैंने नहीं लिखा
ऐसा नहीं आता
हम
फीलिंग
वापस
है
इसके माँ बाप की बात कर रहे हैं
सॉरी मतलब आई वाज जस्ट लाइक गाने लिख के शायद करना सॉन्ग बुक बनाना है
बेटा 70s बेटा
आई एम
सुनो
सॉरी गाइस
तभी मैंने पूछा मैंने कहा आपकी उम्र कितनी है
छोटा हूँ मैं बड़ा हूँ
हमें बता दिया
I'm in my perfect midlife crisis is all I
Oh
can
my
tell you. I'm in my midlife crisis right now.
Bro, I've been in my
Anyway,
midlife crisis last 30 years, so don't worry.
same. But जुबिन मैंने ये भी सुना है कि आप जब you know when you want to feel a song at that point in time आप गाना सिर्फ बोलते हैं you don't sing it.
आई ट्राई टू
Yeah, and that's how you feel whether the song is yours or not. What is that process like? I want to understand what does it even
प्रोसेस इज सिंपल कितनी बार जब हम गाने लगते हैं तो हम इस चीज़ का ध्यान नहीं देते कि हम लोग सिर्फ गा रहे हैं गाने को सो हम कितनी बार ध्यान नहीं देते हैं कि बात क्या कही जा रही है बहुत सारे सिंगर्स यहाँ पर अटक जाते हैं लाइक फॉर इंस्टेंस अगर जैसे किसी फिल्म की डबिंग चल रही है लाइक राइट यू हैव डन दैट सो दैट टाइम doing the scene is one thing and doing it in the studio is another altogether. You need a different craft for that. Similarly for singing, you need to start saying the song. अब तुम्हारे गाने में अगर कहा जा रहा है कि तू है इश्क मेरा तो कहना पड़ेगा rather than गाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि गाना तो अभी कर ही लेते हैं हम
Correct.
but the moment I start saying it and I start meaning it, it just starts translating. I think yeah.
This actually I wanted to ask you this question in my next segment, but I'll ask you right now because
Go
the
for it.
context is right. But is that a conscious choice that you make? Ki, matlab, because all your songs they are meaningful, you know, sweet or intense songs for all. For lack of a better word. So is that a conscious choice that you make? कि मतलब आप जब आप lyric पढ़ते हैं and then you think कि okay this is what makes sense to me, this is what touches my heart. Is when you do it.
Yeah, it is a conscious choice. I make sure कि I think whatever we do is our message to the world, and I want to keep a good message there.
That's
always.
very sweet.
Yeah.
That's
So
very,
everything
very
I sing, I want to mean it, and मतलब मैं personally उस चीज़ को कह सकूँ, महसूस कर सकूँ, तभी मैं आप तक पहुँच सकूँगा. Otherwise, then it's a dart in the air.
Beautiful, beautiful Jubin. Coming to you, Isha. I want to know about your journey as well. Although बहुत जगह पे लिखा गया है कि आप भी पहाड़ी हैं, but
She is. She did not give me feeling of a non-party at all.
I think people just look at you and they assume they are like,
full on.
he's so like he's convinced that you're pahadi.
No, my dad was posted there. Not really. I'm not.
Yeah, but tell us, you told me that you have your roots based in UP, but also I know the fact that you are born and brought up in Delhi. So tell me about your journey. How was Isha as a girl, as a child, then you know your teenage years, and then when you entered the pageantry world, the movie industry. Tell us about all of it.
Okay,
I want to take you down
I'm
the
going
memory
to try
lane.
and make it as short because it's too much. But to start with, I had an amazing childhood. But the real childhood, which was a scheduled childhood, a bit strict. थोड़ा strict रहते हैं हमारे माँ बाप.
Your father is an
Air
army,
Force,
Air Force,
हाँ जी.
if I'm not wrong,
And तो थोड़ा strict था in the sense कि अगर ये टाइम में आपके सोने का तो यही टाइम पे आप सोओगे, अगर ये टाइम में आपके खेलने का तो इस टाइम पे आपको बाहर जाके खेलना ही है, चाहे कितनी गर्मी हो, कितनी ठंड हो. इस टाइम पे अगर टीवी का ये टाइम फिक्स है, आपने मिस कर दिया वो टाइम तो आप जाके सोइए. सो यू नो दैट्स द अपब्रिंगिंग वी हैड, बट वी नेवर हैड. एक वो होता है ना, हमारे माँ बाप ने कभी प्रेशर नहीं डाला मेरी और मेरी सिस्टर पे कि पढ़ाई बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए या ये मेरे लिए एक बेनिफिट था कि मैं पढ़ाई में ज़्यादा अच्छी थी एंड स्पोर्ट्स में एंड मेरी सिस्टर एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग शी इज़ बेटर. तो माय पेरेंट्स वर हैप्पी कि एक अच्छी बेटी मिल गई उन्हें और एक समझदार बेटी मिल गई. आवर लाइफ वाज वेरी दिस थिंग बट मिस इंडिया ऑनेस्टली वाज आई थिंक बाय बहुत फ्लूक जिसे बोलते हैं. मिस इंडिया माय कजन्स वगैरह उन्होंने पता है जोक करके दे सेड कि तू लंबी है क्योंकि बनियों में वैसे भी लंबी लड़कियां होती नहीं है. ओके बनिया समाज जो बोलना है मेरे बारे में आप बोल सकते हैं. हम आप ही की बेटी हैं. नहीं पर इट्स सच्चाई है कि बनियों में लड़कियां होती नहीं है लंबी. ओके तो मजाक में and सब हमारी cousins they are 10-12 years older to us. I was still in my uni and it was my last year. I was doing graduation in law, diplomacy and law and उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि हम भेजते तेरा पढ़ी लिखी मैं हमेशा से थी. ज़बान चलाना बचपन से आता था.
तो वकालत आप कर रही थी तो it makes sense.
इसीलिए मेरे फादर ने बोला था कि इतनी ज़बान चलाती है इसे वकालत करा दो. So that's what we did and it just so happened कि मिस इंडिया ओके रनर अप हो गए जीत गए. आई हैव टू गो फॉर मिस इंटरनेशनल बट उसके बाद आई वेंट बैक टू माय स्टडीज. आई स्टार्टेड माय करियर वेरी लेट. आई वाजंट लाइक ज़ुबिन. जब मैं ज़ुबिन जैसे लोगों को मिलती हूँ आई मीट पीपल हु आर यंगर टू मी. आई ऑलवेज टेल देम कि आई विश द ओनली थिंग आई विश इन माय लाइफ इज आई न्यू और आई स्टार्टेड माय करियर बिफोर. आई स्टार्टेड एट 27 acting. My first film came at 27. Jannat 2 in 2012.
What a
so
film.
It was, thank you.
What a performance.
Thank you. But it was a late. I was a late bloomer in this career.
Right.
But I think whatever I've survived till now is that अपने आप सीखा. गिरे भी बहुत. संभालने वाला कोई नहीं था but you learn.
But in a very limited time you've done a lot of work. Like your body of work is a lot.
You know why? Because I was always sure of who I am.
Right.
Of course बीच में नहीं थे जैसे इन्होंने बोला मेरे लिए भी हो गया था. बहक जाते हैं हम लोग. हम अपने आप को बहुत सीरियसली लेने लगते हैं. हमारे आसपास लोग ठीक नहीं होते. एंड मैं हमेशा से हमारी फैमिली इज़ वेरी रिलीजियस एंड स्पिरिचुअल.
Right.
मैंने लाइफ में गलती की एंड चमक धमक देख के ना हम लोग बहुत पार्टी ज़रूरी अटेंड करना. ये करना ज़रूरी है. हम अपने आप को खोल देते हैं. तो मेरे साथ आई थिंक वो हुआ. देन आई टुक अ नाइस लॉन्ग गैप. आई नीडेड मेंटल हेल्थ चेक ऑन मी. एंड आई थिंक नाउ I mean now it's all him taking care of me. Yeah. Listen, he's taking care of me. I'm still living my life.
Love it. But tell me this, that you have done a lot of movies and then you have done a lot of web shows. What do you enjoy more? Which is more difficult as per you?
Not difficult. I love both.
Yeah.
I love more when there's more work rather than more weight. I don't like weight. So I like जब एंड सीरीज में ये काफ़ी होता है कि वो आपको ब्रेक नहीं देते. मूवीज़ में तब भी यू नो बिकॉज मूवीज़ में खर्चा भी ज़्यादा है. यू नो इट्स अ बिगर प्रोजेक्ट ऑलवेज. मूवी तो अच्छा एक लाइट हो रही है देन दूसरी. बट वेब सीरीज़ में आप जब भी करें OTT तो बैक टू बैक बहुत काम होता है. मतलब अगर वो आपके 12 घंटे में आप 12 घंटे बस काम कर रहे हैं. मे बी लंच ब्रेक एंड आई लाइक दैट.
Oh, you like that?
I like that, but also because I think India क्या हम as actors we are very blessed, as singers, as artists I feel we are very blessed. आप भी I'm sure यही मानते हैं कि हम लोग अपना टाइम चूज कर सकते हैं. हम लोग अगर 3 महीने काम कर रहे हैं वो 3 महीने हम काम कर रहे हैं. Maybe not you.
Not me.
Okay, but you know I'm blessed.
Yeah.
You know I can take an off whenever I want.
Right.
And so that's why I feel कि जब मैं वो काम कर रही हूँ तो मुझे चाहिए वो 3 महीने just काम.
Rigorous work, yeah.
Because that's what I'm trying to do. Last 3 years मैंने वही किया कि films के साथ साथ what else can I do, and that's what I'm doing so that I'm always busy.
Right. Also tell me that very recently you've done 2 music videos back to back.
Yeah.
You did one with Honey Singh and then when you did with Jubin. So they're very different.
Very different.
Let's say
diverse
that.
songs.
They're
That's
very
versatility.
I'm like
That's why तुम्हें पता नहीं फर्क अलग
Crazy.
क्यों मैंने झगड़ा
Wow,
करके लिया है.
man.
तो झगड़ा नहीं किया. मैं बहुत मांगा. रोज मैसेज कर रही थी अलग दे दो गाना दे दो.
right, but tell me the shooting experience. How was that different? I was like they're both very different. So what is the
Listen,
difference?
shooting as in, you know, I had fun both the places. You know, Honey is an amazing guy. Zubin, you can see we've already become friends. You know,
This is I'm like मैं यहाँ क्यों ही बैठा हूँ. आप दोनों ही
क्यों,
कर
तुम
लो.
भी तो
This is like
दोस्त
a lot of fun watching you two together.
Thank you.
But
it's
go for
because
it.
You're making it fun. No, but I think song was very different. Vibe was very different. Very different.
Yeah.
Costume was very different. I think the mindset was only really different.
Right.
That was all about, you know, let's go all out, let's go all sexy. This was about friendship and love. So the feel in itself, I think the expressions only change.
That is true. Yeah.
You know, वहाँ पे, you know, it's sexy, it's, you know, it's hot. यहाँ पे it's just love, and I think that always, it's like how we always say ना, as people, जो आपके साथ भी होगा, हम सबके साथ, हाँ, जैसे मैं आपके साथ हूँ वैसे मैं अपने माँ बाप के साथ नहीं होंगी.
Correct.
हम सब मल्टीपल पर्सनालिटीज
Right,
हैं.
right,
So I think
yeah.
that's what I love that उस गाने में मैं कर पाई. अब आप सोच सकते हैं मैं जब आपको बोला रोज कॉल कर रही थी जुबिन का गाना जुबिन का मैं क्यों कर रही थी?
That makes
Because I
sense.
wanted एकदम and it's beautiful singers, both amazing people. And life में I think now जाके God has given me enough for me to be happy. You know, and the only thing I want is to work with good people. Nothing else matters. If you're not a good person, नहीं कर सकती
And
मैं.
you know, it shows when like it was cold. It was really cold, huh? And
We've established that.
it was really cold for her. I'm from the mountains. I'm feeling cold. Then
Yeah.
she would be really feeling cold.
Makes sense.
But the moment the scene goes on, how excited she gets about that and how she gets in that whole space, that was something I really got to learn from her. How she wants to, you know, how she brings her whole energy
there was
to
a
the
flip switch. He
flick
would say.
switch. Yeah, it's like a switch. I was like, where's your switch?
Really like,
Where is the switch?
yeah.
Yeah, because she's just feeling cold and then next moment she has to just, and there's no cold. There's nothing. It's fine now. Let's
Oh,
just
wow.
shoot.
But you know, but that only happens जब आपको पता है कि you're doing work that you love doing.
Correct.
हम business नहीं कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
हम
Absolutely.
सब मतलब हम सब जो अभी यहाँ पे भी हम में से कोई business, you know, we didn't make the. It's not. It's out of passion. Even the way they're producing the song, वो क्यों है with the passion? We are all traveling इतना कि 2 दिन का shoot है, but क्यों? Because even the director, he sees it, he envisions it, even him,
Yeah.
and it's all. We are blessed. Like I said, we
Yeah,
are blessed.
we're
Our
blessed.
work is all about passion, and we love doing what we doing. जहाँ आपने इसे अपना business बनाया, वहाँ आप गद्दी पे बैठेंगे, not काम करेंगे. So there's a difference.
That line can be
बनिया हो ना इसलिए.
मतलब टी-शर्ट पे डाल सकता हूँ गद्दी पे बैठेंगे काम नहीं करेंगे love it well we've spoken about both of your journeys अब बात करते हैं आपके आगे के सफर के बारे में tell us what is lined up for you next and what is it that's exciting you right now
Oh, what's exciting me immediately is well,
Ishq
starting
Tera.
a film.
Ishq
Ishq Tera,
Tera.
and
Ishq Tera.
then the film that it's already in news, so we are gonna start that next week.
oh wow
And then that's it. And right now I'm just gonna keep traveling because मेरा जब भी मुझे stress होता है, I love traveling. Luckily my work allows me to travel, so that's it. And I'm excited for my movie. And Ishq Mera is doing really well. So and it's the monsoons in Bombay, so you enjoy the song little more. It becomes a little more romantic.
Much
the Gana.
more.
yeah that makes
Bombay
sense.
becomes
That
much
makes
more
sense.
romantic.
Right?
for sure.
I think it could be like a late night drive song
दिल्ली में
like,
अभी तक जब मैंने गाना सुना I was thinking oh still it's a friendship song in a way. बॉम्बे में अकेले आके ना मुझे रोमांटिक लगने लगा गाना. ऐसे बारिश देख रहे ऐसे रोमांटिक तो है सॉन्ग.
नहीं रोमांटिक तो काफी है मतलब स्पेशली द क्लोजिंग आई एम लाइक क्यूट वेरी क्यूट जुबिन यू टेल मी
I'm doing some very interesting music videos. Time to come. I'm getting to sing some good music. Ishq Mera is in the charts everywhere. I'm sitting next to the beautiful Isha Gupta. I think everything is going right. Yeah.
You guys are so cute together. It's just so cute. Like I'm just looking at you guys and I'm like, क्या मस्त chemistry है इनकी and the
you.
song definitely has it. Now tell me, both of you actually, that there is a rise in the social media platforms that have suddenly come up, and of course the streaming platform, the OTT streaming platform. As actor and as a singer, do you think this is adding on? A lot of pressure, or B, it's just creating a lot of avenues and opportunities for artists like yourselves. What do you think this is doing? Where's the shift taking us?
You know, first of all, I truly believe, and I think him and I, we even had that discussion, right, about AI and all, and in general, not AI, just technology. What is happening is there's so much content right now
Yeah.
that I feel in general, but it's a very different thought that I have is I feel people in general are getting mentally and physically very unhealthy because of the kind of content we have around. We have so much content that no one's really focusing on their mental health and physical health.
Yeah.
Whether it's singers, whether it's us as actors or directors, because the rat race, which did exist till a certain point, has just become more crazier. Also because of that, now I feel what's happening is there's not good content anymore. And they're not
yeah.
good singers. And
100%.
also, there are a lot of singers I respected, heard their music, and then you listen to them sing without auto-tune and you're like, oh, you're not really a singer. And I'm sure you face that now. You'll suddenly see a surge in even artists happening.
Yeah.
I also feel because of so much social media platform, now I'm seeing as an actor, girls are feeling especially that, like for me, I was trolled a while back when I wore a bikini, but then I don't know what else to wear on a beach, right? But now I'm seeing people wear bikini in their bed, and I'm
Everywhere.
like, and they're kids because they just feel let's get the likes and
Yeah.
comments. So with the
Yeah,
luckily,
very true.
right? Luckily, I've reached that age and stage in my career where I'm like, wow, I'm really glad I'm not in there anymore and not in the rat race, because you know what you have and what you don't need to speak about
You've
it.
reached that place wherein you're comfortable and you don't have to.
No, and you don't even like you're just seeing things around. You're not even bothered by it. But I'm not so sure how good it is. So I feel a lot of actors and artists are getting a lot of chance. A lot of directors, everyone from our industry, I feel we are getting chance to work. So employment is going up. Amazing. Revenue, I don't know, because if there was really great revenue as films in the industry, we won't be releasing so many films.
Makes sense. Yeah, perfect.
But then, like I said, then you start thinking from the other side and you realize that that's what's happening. True music is dying, I feel. The kind of music now that they're making, Ishq Mera is one of those music, we can listen to it, right? The shelf life is going to be after 10
It's
years.
gonna be there.
Correct.
One of my T-series song, amongst all my songs, it's my films, Jannat and all, and that Main Rahu Na Rahu, that still plays
That
everywhere.
still plays everywhere.
Ishq Mera is gonna be a lot of Zubin songs, but I'm saying our song Ishq Mera is gonna be like that. The shelf life, because people now, it's the limited gratification people want, the quick gratification,
The
and they want it.
30-second gratification.
Yeah, and they are not seeing the longer picture. Yeah, and now, so like I said, it's always a cash ready to situation in both the things. It's doing good and bad, but I think it's doing more bad than good.
Makes sense. Makes sense. Jimin, what's your thought as a singer?
On this topic, I can just say that definitely a lot of opportunities have started showing up on the doorsteps of a lot of artists.
Right.
A lot of new people who wanted to be artists are getting opportunity to do that. That's a good thing.
Yeah.
But now the responsibility falls on the people who are going to be putting the money in bringing the artists up.
Right.
They have to select better artists. They have to select genuinely talented artists. They should not just go for influencers. Art takes time to sink in. You can enjoy a 30-second reel, but you can't enjoy a 30-second song.
Right.
You need a 4-minute
I
song,
agree.
5-minute song to enjoy it, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So attention span artist तभी attention span रोक पाएगा अगर कुछ होगा दिखाने के लिए. अगर कुछ भी खड़ा करते रहेंगे, then we will lose the whole
Correct.
plot, and then जैसा जा रहा है. So जितने लोग who are sitting in the position of power to bring up artists, it's their job now to select the right ones,
right
and
talent.
get the right people who can actually sing,
Who
है ना,
actually have-
who can actually
That's true.
create that. Otherwise फिर कुछ भी हो सकता है ना आज की डेट में. तो जब
Correct.
सभी गा सकते हैं ना ब्रो आज तो.
Yeah, and artists
मैं तो नहीं गा सकता.
but at one point in the world, artists, any
Yeah.
kind of artist, I'm saying, whether it's an actor, at that time, actor se zyada, theater,
Right.
singers especially, and painters and writers, all artists, right? All
Right.
creative people were the ones who actually brought the revolution.
Correct.
In the world, in the
Absolutely.
history,
Yeah,
right?
absolutely.
Whether it's World War, whether the kind of art that changed
Yeah.
from Victorian
There's
to the dark
always
art.
a chapter in history which talks about the
It's the
importance
artists who
of
get
art
the revolution
in the
and
revolutions.
it is
yeah.
the truth. So like he said, it's beautifully what
तो
beautiful
रेवोल्यूशन
what he
लाने
said.
वाले आर्टिस्ट जो हैं वो लाओगे तभी रेवोल्यूशन आएगी.
नहीं,
अगर
it's
कुछ
so
भी हो
beautiful
जाएगा
what
तो
you
कुछ
said,
भी-
which I agree, because of lately English music bhi, Hindi bhi, I remember my mother used to listen to her parents ke time ke gaane, and I was like, oh God, guess what? Now that's all I'm listening to, because I said, अच्छा गाना.
तो वही है करेक्ट. मुझे बताइए कि both of you as artists, do you feel that pressure to make your presence felt on social media? Like, are you constantly bugged by ये content डालना है, ये reel डालनी है, ये post करना है?
Recently I've started feeling this pressure,
Yeah, you have.
that you put things on, otherwise this happens, that happens. But okay, we are moving with time, we are trying to put, but still I make sure that the message is right, yaar. Our message has to
I
be
agree.
right, because people follow, people
I agree.
listen, people learn, people inspire.
Right.
I can say one wrong thing, maybe perceived in a wrong way, and could end up in
Blow
a
up.
disaster.
Yeah, definitely.
So yeah, that's one thing.
So you do feel pressure about it.
Now I've started feeling, a little bit. Isha, what do you think?
I think mine has gone a little opposite, but I think that's because of how I've become as a person, how I've evolved. To the level that I think now it doesn't bother me anymore. You know what I mean? Like what people are posting, what they're not doing, because I feel I've done everything. I'm busy enjoying my life. I'm living my life, I want my peace, and my peace I don't want anyone else to take it away.
Yeah.
You know, because I feel it's very simple in life. Like हम किसी को मिलेंगे जो insecure होगा, वो आपको अपनी insecurity दे देगा.
Correct.
You know, if you meet someone who's not successful, वो आपको भी वहीं ले आएंगे. So I don't want that because people will do it. Like I'll give you example. There's this. I mean, I can't even take her name. But मैंने अभी recently my lawyers prepared and we were end तक and हमने बोला बस भेज रहे हैं उसे legal notice.
Oh.
Because इतना एक मैंने अच्छा सा स्वीट सा कोई पिक्चर डाला है उन्होंने इतना गंदा उसका आर्टिकल बना के लिखा. But then I realized लोग प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना दुनिया में लोगों की अपनी फ्रस्ट्रेशंस हैं, उनकी अपनी प्रॉब्लम है, अपनी इनसिक्योरिटीज है.
Correct. And they reflected on you.
तो इट डजंट शो हु आई एम. आपने मुझसे डिसरिस्पेक्ट किया या कुछ, इट डजंट शो ऑन मी. बट व्हाट हैपेंड इज आई थिंक नॉट जस्ट सोशल मीडिया इन लाइफ में होता है, लोग आप पे इतना प्रेशर डालते हैं जनरल कि आप भूल जाते हैं. मेरे साथ हाल फिलहाल में हुआ दैट आई हैड टू करेक्ट माई सेल्फ एंड बी लाइक ईशा how you acted with people wasn't correct, you know.
Right.
So forget social media, forget everything. And I think इसलिए मेरा प्रेशर अब कम हो गया है. You know, मेरी टीम पैनिक करने लगती है एकदम से कि ईशा कहाँ गायब होगी तो आई हैव टू पोस्ट.
Right. टीम्स का प्रेशर काफी है ना.
टीम से ज़्यादा you know it's not really their pressure, it's because we are all a team.
Yeah. Correct.
We all have to grow together.
Right.
You know, to grow far, to go far you have to be together with a team, and to go fast you have to be alone. So we need the team, but it's just I think पैसे कमाने के लिए भी हमें चाहिए. Let's be honest,
I
guys.
mean, now
we need
social
it.
media is a part of your career.
It is,
Exactly.
yeah.
It is
So
a
we
very
need it for
important
that.
part of your career.
Yeah.
For any artist, not an artist, any company, anything to do with market has to be on social media.
Yeah.
It can be individual, it can be a company, it can be an entity, it can be anything.
Right.
But without marketing, it doesn't sell.
So that's all folks, this was request वाला show for today जहाँ पे मेरे साथ थे काफी कमाल जुबिन नौटियाल और ईशा गुप्ता. Guys, thank you so much for
Thank
being
you,
on
Aditya.
request वाला show. How was it being on the show?
It was amazing because of your energy, right?
Yeah.
Like you brought us all like up to the mark.
Yes, and chai helped. Chai helped.
Of course, chai helped. The
Chai
sixth glass of chai.
That we've had today. Well, Jubin and Isha, जल्दी से सबको बता दीजिए कि आपका नया गाना बाहर आ चुका है. Show it lot of love and obviously to keep showering love on both of you.
Hi guys, I'm Isha Gupta.
This is Jubin Nautiyal.
And please listen to our beautiful song that we shot with love, from love, for all of you, Ishq Mera.
Ishq Mera.
It's out now and it's the beautiful story and journey of friendship turned into love. It's one of my favorite songs. Not because it's my song, but because I had the great singer. So it's Zubin's favorite song of mine of Zubin is Ishq Mera.
Listen to our latest song, Ishq Mera, with the great Isha Gupta. A mountain love story in the Himalayas. Everything that's going to take you back to the mountains. Cheers.
Thank you.